Okay, so for that, click on file and click on new model, and if you want to save the changes, just click yes. And over here use built-in settings with, so these things are already defined, just click on OK. And after that, just click on OK. For now we can change these things later. Alright, so after that, just go to edit and click on edit stories and grid systems, or what you can do, just right click over here, click on add modify grids. Okay, so story data, click on modify, so story data. So how many stories we have? We got the base. Let me show you in that diagram. A lower portion, this represents the base. Okay, so this is story 1 and this is story 2. So we have to define the base, story 1 and story 2. Of base, the elevation of base is 0 meters. The story 1 is at 3 meters. Right now it happened that the default values are equal to the values that we have used in the example, but sometimes it might not happen. For example, if the floor height is like 4 meters, then you just have to hit 4 and hit enter. Okay, so we'll go with 3, and we got story 2 at 3 meters as well, and we don't need these two stories. We'll just right click after selecting and click on delete story and click on delete existing structure story. So we got so elevation is base is at 0, so story 1 is at 3 meters, story 2 is at 6 meters. So rest of the things we don't need right now, and just click on OK. So after editing the elevation, we have to edit the plan also. So grid systems, we got G1, so we'll just modify this grid system. And over here in the X grid data, so we need this grid, and we also need another grid at 5 meters, and we don't need these two grids, just delete them. In Y direction we need one grid at 0, another grid at 6 meters, and we don't need these two grids, just click on delete. Okay, so bubble size and other things, just keep them as they are and just click on OK, and just click on OK. So right now you can see that it has reduced to a rectangular box. Okay, so 5 meters in the X direction, 6 meters in the Y direction. All right, and you can see the 3D view over here. First thing after